For your annual rent assessment, you will receive an email with a link to fill out your annual rent assessment form. You can do this on your smartphone, a tablet, computer or laptop. When you follow the link in the email, you will be brought to the Keyholder login screen. Fill in your first name, your last name, your phone number and your email address, which must be the same email address that you received the link from. Choose a password and enter it twice. Your password must include upper and lower case letters and a special character, for example hash. You need to keep your password safe as you will need it to log in again. Tick the boxes to agree terms of use and privacy policy. Click on the button that says Create your free account. You will receive a verification code, first by email. Enter the code and press Continue. You will then receive a second verification code, this time by text message. This is best practice to secure your details of your account. Enter the verification code that you received and press Register. A text message is only used for setting up your account the first time. After that, all notifications will be sent by email. When your account opens, you will see information requests. Select the pending request that is waiting for you by clicking the arrow to the right. Anything pending needs to be actioned by you. If there are no pending requests, please contact your rent coordinator. When you select the pending request, a screen will open to the right and you will see a confidential income statement. Click on the confidential income statement and it will open. Then follow these steps. Step 1. Fill in name, address, number of bedrooms, city, county and IR code. Select Continue. Step 2. Enter details for the members of your household. It is important to enter all household members. Please enter the adults in the house first and children or dependents afterwards. If any dependents have left the household, please include a letter with their new address when you are uploading your documents at the end of this form. If there is a new child addition in the household that you have yet to inform to a housing about, please include their birth certificate in documents at the end. Then fill in your next of kin details. Next of kin is not someone who lives in the property. Then press Continue. Step 3. Income details. Please enter all household members with an income by selecting Person in the drop-down box. Select Income Type in the drop-down and enter the amount of your net income. Net income is your total income less your 3 taxes only: pay, PRZE and USC. For welfare payments, please do not include the winter fuel allowance, living alone assistance, telephone assistance or monthly child benefit. Then select in the drop-down if you receive your income monthly or weekly. Do this for each member of the household over 18. Anyone over 18 without an income, please attach proof of education or welfare statement in the Add Document section next. Underneath, select Add Document. This will then allow you to add the proof of income. Proof of income can be added by uploading from your photos or files on your phone, tablet or laptop. Please do not upload any password-protected payslips. Make sure to add all proofs of income for all members over 18 in this section. If you have not included all members of the household or documentation, the form will be returned to you and you will be notified by email to go back into the link and complete. Any forms returned back to you will not be counted as received. At the bottom of each page, you can use the back button to check all your details and documents are correct before selecting the Finish button. When you select the Finish button, you will then see a screen to the right with your confidential income statement on it. Please click the box I agree to share my personal details and accept to send to our housing. Once it's sent, you cannot go back into the form and change anything. Once we receive the form, we will check through your details and make an assessment and update your details on our systems. If all is correct, you will receive a notification by email to follow the link and receive your new rent letter. If there is any additional information needed, you will also receive an email to follow the link and resubmit. Additional information cannot be submitted through email or post. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for taking part by using our annual digital rent review. This new, modern and advanced digital form is designed to be more time and cost friendly for you, as our resident.